Jamaican stories that prove said Duppy real. There is a community in Jamaica plagued by a Duppy they call wedding cake. Every time wedding cake rise up, all homes and business places have to shut down. She doesn't rise often, but when she does, it's hell on earth. She was supposed to get married and drop out before her wedding day, so they made her grave with a wedding cake on top. That's how she got the name. A man wasn't able to sleep at nights, so he was always on his phone to pass the time. One night, as he finally felt the sleep coming, he put his phone down. Suddenly a random Duppy man fly in his face, grab him neck and say, "Eat me," then disappeared. To this day, he doesn't know why. In certain places in Jamaica, US and UK, etc., there are places called Duppy shop. Those places sell Duppy at all kinds of different prices. Their source of Duppies are from necromancers who go out and catch the Duppy den. They sell it to them and they sell it back. There is a mermaid out by GC that boxed down a lady that was practicing pucko. Neighbors who live out at GC Road reported it. The Spanish town cathedral is also said to be haunted. It is alleged that the bones of slaves were built into the church columns.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
One night, a couple was getting ready to go to bed. They got comfy watching TV and was just about to doze off when the girlfriend saw what appeared to be a child under a white sheet just appeared in front of the bed. She couldn't believe her eyes at first, but the little Duppy wanted to be seen. When the young lady brain registered what was happening, she jumped up frightened and the Duppy disappeared.
Check out the playlist for more.